In this video, we're going to bond a watch stem to a crown. We're using the Invicta as a demonstration. I'm replacing the stem and the crown, but I want to make sure that this doesn't come loose by just screwing it. So I want to bond it, and what I'm going to use this Threadlocker 222, which is low strength, and we can use it at the end of our stem, and then put the glue on there, and then put it on the crown, and then it will bond after 24 hours. So I want to demonstrate how this is done. So I have a small little vise here. This is just to hold the stem in place while we put the glue on. One thing to note, that you want to make sure that you're very careful with this, because you don't want to damage the stem. So we're going to put it in the vise, but we're not going to tighten it up that much. We're just going to hold it in place. So we want to put it into the vise. And we're just going to tighten it just enough, just so that it's being held firmly, but not enough to damage it. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is we're going to get our Threadlocker, and we're just going to put a little bit on the edge. Okay, we only need a little bit. We don't need that much. So now that we have it on there, we're going to slowly screw in our crown. And having the vise really helps this process. Okay, now we can let go with the vise, and now we have our glue on there. That's going to cure for 24 hours. But yeah, this is essentially how it's going to work. And then once it's bonded to the crown, we're going to put it back into the watch, and we'll be ready to go. And that's how you do that. Pretty simple to do. And then wait 24 hours for it to cure. And that's it. Thanks for checking this out. Let me know in the comments if this was useful. Share this out if this is something you are interested in, or if you know somebody who's interested in watches and is looking to do some DIY watch repairs. This is how you put Threadlocker 222 on a stem and a crown. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.